how widespread it is. Most of us with partly sunny skies at best. The onshore breeze is back. Fairfield reporting a 23-mile-per-hour breeze with a gust to about 30. Concord, the onshore breeze at about 13. Napa at 10. Nevada reporting an onshore breeze at about 6. Temperatures are down because of this. Take a look at Fairfield by 11 degrees, by 9 degrees in Livermore, and by 8 degrees in Concord. So yesterday, for some of our inland communities, it was off to a warm start. At this hour, your temperatures are way down. You should definitely notice the difference. Napa as well as Santa Rosa also down by several degrees, and you get closer to the water, just slightly cooler in areas like Oakland, Hayward, and San Francisco.
Triangle, Rosemary, on Twin Peaks, and it's shrouded in gray. I mean,
yes.
They put that up so it can be seen for miles and miles. I'm hoping it clears up. Oh, there it is. See? So will that get
systems working to bring us those clouds, low clouds in the marine layer back due to a system that's off the coast, helping to bring that back to us. The mid and high level clouds you're going to see for the afternoon today coming from the desert southwest, and a little bit of monsoonal moisture pulling our way. In fact, there's even a slight possibility of thunderstorms over the Sierra for today. Let's take a look at your numbers right now. 58 degrees in Santa Rosa, 60 for San Francisco, low 60s in Oakland, Livermore 64, and San Jose checking in at 60. So again, giving you a view here from up above and what's happening out there. We'll have the fog along the coastline, 60s expected for our shoreline communities. As we get inland, temperatures will be in the 80s. Not going to be as hot. Again, the onshore breeze is back. The marine layer is a little bit thicker. We have the cloud cover overhead, but the high pressure over the four corners dragging in some of that monsoonal moisture. The threat here is the possibility of dry lightning, and so there is a red flag warning for the Tahoe area in addition to the possibility of that unstable weather for your weekend if you are heading in that direction. For us, it's going to be mostly cloudy at the coast, partly sunny elsewhere, and temperatures will be cooling off. In fact, they're already cooling off as we get into the afternoon. Some of us will reach into the upper 70s to upper 80s. That will be about it for today. Could feel a little bit humid with those clouds overhead and temperatures in the mid to upper 80s in areas like Fairfield as well as back hours ago as we get into your afternoon. As we get through the morning hours, we're already cooler in some areas, and here's a look from up above at the cloud cover. Low clouds along the coastline, mid and high level clouds streaming in from the desert southwest, and that will be the case for today. So temperatures are coming down. Could feel a little humid out there because of the moisture in those clouds up above for the morning hours as well as the afternoon. The onshore breeze through Fairfield, 21 miles per hour, gusting all the way to about 30 earlier this morning. So that cooler air being pumped through the Delta and our Delta region, a little breezy at this hour. 13 degrees cooler in Fairfield, 11 in Concord, 10 in Livermore. So our inland communities already feeling it at this hour. Goes for Napa as well as Santa Rosa. Take a look at that, a 13-degree drop from yesterday morning at this time. As we get in and around the bay, we have temperatures slightly cooler. So again, most of us feeling the cool down already. 67 in Livermore, San Francisco, upper 60s, low 70s for the East Bay shoreline. Go inland, a warmer day, but some of our hotter spots only getting into the upper 80s for the afternoon today. So when I come back, I'll have a detailed look at the graphic area, or the area for you, as well as what you can expect for the second half of your weekend. All that coming up in just a little bit. Back to you. We've got two weather elements impacting California. We have high pressure over the four corners and the clockwise motion dragging monsoonal moisture from the desert southwest all the way into areas of Lake Tahoe for Saturday as well as Sunday. We also have this system here right off the coastline in the counterclockwise motion bringing in that southerly surge. So for us here in the Bay Area, the marine layer is thicker, the onshore breeze is stronger, and temperatures are falling for the afternoon. In fact, I'm already tracking cooler temperatures this morning. Let's start in the Sierra, where we have a red flag warning that will pick up later today and last into the evening hours. The possibility of scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, but the bigger concern there is the dry lightning. So again, we'll be keeping track of that for you, and firefighters, of course, on watch there. For us here at home, it'll be that southerly surge that continues. We have low clouds at the coastline for today, mid and high level clouds elsewhere, and again, that moisture in those clouds going to make it feel a little humid in some areas. 59 degrees in Napa right now, low 60s San Francisco. Livermore warming into about 67, started out in the low 60s this morning, so you're seeing a rebound. 64 in Hayward and 63 San Jose, a few degrees warmer than where we were 24 hours ago. Into the afternoon, going to see the A's play, 68 degrees, a westerly breeze, and a mix of sun and clouds in the forecast over O.co. 77 in Nevada for this. We're going to have some very comfortable weather in some areas. Mild wind gusting to nearly 30 earlier this morning. So feeling that Delta breeze at 12 at Concord, 6 in Oakland, and Napa reporting an onshore breeze at about 8. Here is a look at the 24-hour temperature change. So Fairfield now 13 degrees cooler than where you were 24 hours ago, by 11 in Concord, 10 in Livermore, by 13 degrees in Santa Rosa. So our inland areas definitely feeling that cool down already this morning. And around the bay, we're a few degrees cooler as well. Areas like Oakland as well as Mountain View by 4 degrees. San Jose by 7. Let's take a look at some of these numbers here. Partly sunny to partly cloudy skies and cooler temperatures in the forecast for the afternoon. I'll have a look at the numbers for your afternoon, and we'll talk about where these clouds are coming from coming up. Oakland, Livermore 67 and 63 degrees in San Jose. So temperatures are beginning to rebound just a bit as we get into the second part of your morning. Here's a look at the system, or make that two different weather elements in the forecast for your Saturday. This high pressure over the Four Corners actually helping to drag in monsoonal moisture from the desert southwest. There's a red flag warning over Lake Tahoe for today due to the possibility of dry lightning, and there will be the possibility of a few scattered showers as well as thunderstorms for the afternoon today as well as tomorrow. So if you're going to the Sierra, be prepared for that. Meanwhile, here at home, we have low clouds. The marine layer is thicker. The onshore breeze is stronger, and our temperatures are falling. This morning we're cooler, and we'll be cooler for the afternoon. Has to do with the system that is off the coast. That, again, is bringing back that southerly surge. We saw it in the overnight hours, and it will continue for today. That, with the mix of high-level clouds, could feel a little humid for our warmer spots as we get into the afternoon. If you notice that, here's why. And again, a huge drop-off as well. 87 expected for today. Yesterday, you hit 99. San Jose, you'll be 5 degrees cooler. Take a look at the afternoon high.